Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable the automatic sign-in to other apps when you start up in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the browser. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security and then tap on Site Settings. Step 4. Next, navigate to Additional Content Settings and give it a tap. Step 5. Locate and tap on On-Device Site Data. Step 6. Finally, turn on the option that says Delete Data sites have saved on your device when you close all windows. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the automatic sign-in to other apps when you start up in Chrome on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.